This is PNN, the Psychedelic News Network, and I'm Sebastian Coco, your host, as we recap the last week in psychedelic news. The Church of the Eagle and the Condor reached a settlement with federal agencies, including the Department of Justice and the DEA, affirming their religious right to use ayahuasca. The Phoenix, Arizona-based church is the first non-Christian church to receive protection for its spiritual practices with ayahuasca. A group of U.S. congressmen and congresswomen publicly petitioned the VA for their model of mdma-assisted therapy. The petition letter was signed by a bipartisan coalition of 9 members of Congress led by former Navy SEAL Representative Morgan Luttrell, who has previously credited psychedelic therapy with saving his life. Lykos Therapeutics announces the completion of European Phase 2 study for mdma-assisted therapy for PTSD. The company, formerly known as MAPS Clinical Arm, announced the news with Phase 3 clinical trial results currently pending review in the United States. The UK Parliament released rapid response articles to address the use of psychedelic therapy to address PTSD and eating disorders. The articles comprehensively describe the current state of psychedelic medicines in the UK, the current state of clinical trials, and any relevant information on the psychedelic treatment of PTSD and eating disorders. The Independent released an article interviewing the CEO of Meow Wolf, Vince Kadlubeck, on his professional silence surrounding psychedelics. The art mogul is speaking out about how, while he has never been afraid about speaking on his sexuality as a gay man, talking about his psychedelics use in the business world has been taboo. The irony is palpable, considering that Kadlubeck was undergoing transformative experiences with DMT as Meow Wolf grew, and that their art style is largely influenced by psychedelic media. And finally, USA Today released an article about how ketamine bros are giving the psychedelics industry a bad rap. The article gives credence to the extravagantly transformative potential of psychedelic drugs, while also acknowledging there is a large population that is abusing ketamine specifically, while passing off said drug abuse as a transformative personal relationship with psychedelic medicines. Thank you all for watching. This has been the Psychedelic News Network, reporting on April 21st through 28th. Have a great day and an even better trip.